Are you still struggling with part quality during tryout, whether it's formability issues, distortions, or cosmetic defects? Do you find it difficult to select the right press line with enough force to form your components correctly? Or does part quality suddenly change when manufacturing on a different press line? And does this lead to a high number of tryout iterations, unexpected high manufacturing costs, longer time to market, or a higher rate of parts failing your quality standards? Then it's probably time to upgrade to the Keysight CAE Stamping Solution Body Manufacturing Stamp, or short PAM-STAMP. PAM-STAMP combines over 25 years of proven sheet metal stamping simulation with a completely new, intuitive graphical environment. PAM-STAMP is uniquely focusing on the key automotive stamping processes. It has a 100% CAD-based setup, eliminating meshing struggles. Its input is based purely on real stamping parameters. And it comes with a simple, modern, and highly visual workflow so easy to use that even engineers without finite element expertise can become productive immediately. With PAM-STAMP, the basics can be learned in just 1 hour, and you can be productive within a single day. The solution currently supports the dominant sheet metal forming processes used across the automotive industry: the line die and transfer die stamping process, as well as the hot forming or press hardening process. A large part of its simplicity comes from a clean, modern, and highly intuitive graphical interface, and from a stamping-dedicated workflow that mirrors real shop floor practice, identifying the relevant die sets in the tool shop, transporting them to and positioning them next to the press line, preparing and locating the blanks, mounting the tool sets on the ram and the bed of the press, running the press line, and finally inspecting the part quality as they exit on the conveyor. When defining the individual operations, each operation shows only the tools and parameters relevant to that specific step. All setup is done directly on the imported CAD geometry, so zero meshing expertise will be required. Productivity is boosted through a global process plan definition, allowing quick setup of the required number of operations, active tools, and optional measuring fixtures. Another major productivity boost comes from using company or process-specific templates that embed all relevant standards, ensuring that every model is built consistently, no matter which engineer performs the simulation, resulting in repeatable and reliable outcomes. To efficiently handle model iterations, a dedicated drag-and-drop interface is provided, preserving each object's original CAD naming to ensure fast and accurate identification during stamping simulation setup. PAM-STAMP also offers powerful automatic spring-back compensation, applicable to a single operation or multiple operations, enabling components to meet geometric tolerances and greatly reducing the number of physical iterations during tryout. Powered by the industry-validated PAM-STAMP Solva, PAM-STAMP ensures reliable outcomes from the early process feasibility stages up to the final stamping process validation. To simplify the detection of cosmetic issues on Class A panels, a virtual light room is directly integrated into the environment, allowing defects to be inspected in the same way as on the shop floor, by observing light reflections on the painted simulated components, thereby greatly reducing the subjectivity associated with analyzing standard simulation contours such as minor stress. Beyond standard stamping simulations, the full 3D models of tools and even presses can be incorporated, capturing their elastic deformations during stamping, which can potentially affect spring-back, draw-in, and even the aesthetic quality of the components. And thanks to excellent computational scaling, from desktop PCs to large clusters, you can run at least 2 full iterations per day, even for the most complex parts. PAM-STAMP provides accurate formability prediction, spring-back analysis, single and multi-operation compensation, is tailored for supporting the key automotive stamping processes as line and transfer die processes and hot forming, allows realistic cosmetic assessment, and optionally offers capabilities to go beyond standard stamping simulations by checking the influence of elastic distortions in tools and presses on the final part quality. By integrating PAM-STAMP into your stamping engineering process, you can reduce physical tryout loops, shorten time to market, detect and correct issues earlier, run unlimited virtual tryout iterations, minimize material consumption, and ultimately guarantee aesthetic and dimensional quality. Body manufacturing stamp. Maximum predictive confidence. Accessible to all.